My friends are judging me.
You know what I mean, love?
This is my time to shine. Hi darling, I'm in an airplane, not going anywhere, just having my coffee. It is literally an airplane cafe. This is the upstairs bit, VIP section of course, pilot section down there.
Cruising it. So he will say,
Alrighty, captain.
He would tell him to take it.
Pilot, other ones, they're just
The captain in the butt here. So the captain is the guy he's been controlling it.
What are they gonna build there, I wonder? That is actually huge. That's what she said. The door is freaking cool. Look at that view. Thumbnail. Anyway, this cafe is nice. I actually wanna like host a birthday party here, even though it's not my birthday anymore. But maybe like a graduation. I also graduated last year. Graduation. You know what? Any excuse to have a party here, that would be sick. Excuse my hair, it's bloody windy. To review this place, coffee, very nice. Literally pay with your boarding pass for your coffee. Oh. So it's 120 baht to come in, but then you can use that 120 baht for the drinks, like coffee and stuff. So this was 120 baht, so I paid with my boarding pass. So it's not just like, you're not actually paying for entry, it's just for the experience, the fun of it, I guess. Also basically just forcing you to buy a drink, which is so smart. But yeah, continue. Yeah, I think it's just quite a nice, chill place. If you want to come to something extra, get a few cute photos or whatever. Quite fun. That's a huge party place. Let's go around. Apparently, okay, we're gonna go in there to take a photo. Lovely Thai music, that. Even when the sun don't shine. When the sky comes falling, even the sun don't shine. I got faith in you and I, so put your pretty little hand in. That's beautiful. It's nice and cool up here actually. Can I hold two? Oh god. Oh. Oi. This is cute. That's sexy. พี่ไปไหน
ไปผัดผง
ไป
ไปผัดผงโชว์ครับ
50 บาทพี่50 บาท10 บาทข้าวสารโรดข้าวสาร
Remember like Songkran, like getting one of these, going
Oh
with my
my
friends
God.
down to Khao San.
Wait, can you rent one of these?
Yeah, like we rented for the day. Like
Oh my god, I
yeah.
would love to do that.
Yeah.
That's, I used to go on like pickup trucks with my friends.
Oh yeah.
It's so much fun.
Yeah.
Passenger on the back.
Hello.
Even when it's, I think this would be a really good place for a date actually. If you have like a first date or second date, I don't know. But it's a fun place to have nice coffee and look around, so it's not just like sitting down and just having like awkward conversations if it's the first time or if it's not going as well as you thought it would be. Then you can come here, look around, take some photos, videos, I don't know, and just explore, you know? And then you can go for lunch after, so you actually have things to do. Because I think with dates, it's so awkward when you just sit there. I don't know why, especially if it's the first date. But like, I don't understand movie dates. My friends are judging me! Because I'm talking to my phone, they're judging me. But yeah, I don't understand first dates as movie dates. My friend is making fun of me. I don't fucking care. Let's tuk again. As I was saying, I don't understand first movie dates. Because you don't talk, you don't get to know each other, you know? What do you want? You wanna come say hi? Do you wanna be in it?
Hey everyone.
Come on, do it.
What?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
This is my brother from another mother.
I'm very socially awkward on camera, so.
What do you think about this place?
That's pretty cool.
Good coffee? As a coffee lover.
I didn't
Oh
think-
shit, you don't have coffee. He's on a detox. Oh, but I can tell you that it's good, to be fair.
It's a decent place. Yeah. You don't see a 747 lying around on the side of the road every so often.
Is that the size of the plane?
No, it's the name of the plane.
747.
Yeah, Boeing 747.
Oh, that's fun.
YOLO, fuck it. Welcome to my vlog. You know what I mean, love.
Is that what I sound like?
Yeah, that's probably what you sound like.
I'm back in here to take photos, because fuck it, already here, might as well do it. Oh my god. Oh, whoa. Ready tonight? Wait. Go wedgie. Oh, how's my legs? Oh, they're hairy. Are you zooming in? Sideways? Oh, let me get my focus. Get the legs out. Legs out for the boys. Any good ones? Okay, I think we're good. Ah! Photo shoot done. My legs are too long. We're leaving now for lunch, but I have no idea if we've got enough content, but pretty. Goodbye, plane. Oh my god, it's so hot. Oh. Hello? If you live in Bangkok, I do recommend it. It is quite far out from the city, but it's still like close enough. It's good for a day trip. It's close to the airport, surprisingly. Come on, Jonah, get your ass in gear. That's what my dad always says. Is that a British thing? Get your ass in gear. And moose head. What's the most British thing? Oh, div. Where the fuck are we?
Here we go.
So many shops. This is my time to shine. It doesn't spin.
What do you mean it doesn't spin?
I'm gonna break it.
Broke it. You don't know how to do it?
Not really. Okay.